Hi guys, we're doing some tag fishing. Bass didn't go well today. Was nothing. And the tag is biting already. I've seen some people catching keepers, and it got me excited, so I went and got some crabs. So let's see what happens here. I'm getting destroyed. I think they all took it. Yep. So it's a little difficult here to obtain crabs on high tide. So I went and bought some. I'm cutting them in half. I'm gonna leave this one here because they go fast. These guys are not kidding. They're not joking around. So that one got destroyed a little bit. Anyway, let's see what happens. Ah, he let go. Yep. Yep, there's still a piece in there. Still a piece, didn't get the hook though. It did not hit that hook. Probably little guys. Again, I'm getting destroyed by little guys. I think I'm gonna go over there where that rock is. I think I'm gonna have better chances over that rock than over here. Or maybe I get closer to it. Let's see. Maybe I get close to this one. Okay. A little difficult in here to stay. Let's see what happens. I still have the sun in front of me. That's not a good thing. That's never a good thing. It's never a good thing when you have the sun right in front of you, because you can see nothing. Okay. None again. Little piece in there. Let's see if it's gonna work. Nothing. And it's a lot of seaweed in here. So and I only got a paper bag. I got this paper bag in here. I know I should just be careful with this one. I'm gonna use that piece. I'm not gonna waste it. En meer met paren. I got the first one for so far, but it's a little one. This is the first one for me. I've been getting bites and bites and bites and bites, Ain't no hookups, but that's the first one for me. Little guy, let him go. All right, let's get another one. Another crab in here. Little crab. Cut the legs off. I'm gonna cut it in half. I don't care what they say, put the whole thing. Whole thing doesn't work sometimes. Alright. Now I was getting destroyed as soon as I cast it out though. There he goes. Probably took the whole thing. I do have the fish. Yeah, I do have the fish. A little guy again. They're these little guys. Little ones, little ones. Little ones, little ones, little ones. There he goes again. Yep, they clean it up though. They clean it up. They clean that one as soon as he falls in there. Hey. He pinched me, he pinched me. He did pinch me though. He pinched me and it's hurting. And it's hurting a little bit. He had a strong pinch. There he goes right away. Oh, I got one. I hope it's a big one. I hope. Yep. This is a keeper though. It could be a keeper. It could be a keeper, yeah. I gotta be careful now so I don't slip off. Yeah. Huh? I don't know. I gotta see. Hold on. I gotta see. I gotta see which way I have to go now. Yeah, I might have to go this way. It's a little slippery on both sides. Let's see. Maybe I'll jump over here. Yep. Okay, I gotta measure this one. It could be a keeper. So let's go right here. Where's my meter? I always got a mess in here. There he goes. There he goes. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, 15 and a half. First keeper of the day. First keeper of the day. First keeper of the day. I'm gonna pop his gills and I'm gonna put it right here, right inside the cooler. Rag first. Get my bucket out. It goes right here. Blackfish business is a little tough though. Get my cell phone out so I don't drop it. There he goes. We're over here again. We're to tag fishing. We're allowed to keep 5 of them. So I already caught one. Let's see if he's gonna give me any more. He should give me some more. Let's see when he bites though. Let's see when he bites. He's nibbling it, but it's a little one. It's a little one. Yep. It's a little one. Okay. Cast on this side a little bit. Okay, he took it. He took it though. Let's cut another one. This I think. Oh no, that's not a dead one. Okay. This one we'll leave it here. I always got a thing right here. Cast these guys. Take the shell off, throw it in there. And pretty much is like using it as a charm. Using it just like a charm. So, alright. Let's go. He just took half of it. Don't tell me got stuck. Got stuck. Took the whole thing. Now he shorted me out, so he got me snagged over there. These little ones, they take you under the rock though. They don't care. They just nibble it. Yeah, they don't give a shit. Alright. Put this one more time. Oh. Okay, I have it. Little one again. Little guy again. Little guy. All right. Cut this guy up. Okay. This one here, this one down here, and there we go. There we go.
I can go down.
Oh, I do have it. He's coming this way by the rocks though. Little one. Little guy again. Picks it up over there, he takes it under the rock. That's what's been happening. Picks it up, it takes it under the rock. Gonna measure it first. It's a keeper size, yeah. Yeah, I know. Shall I be there? Quelash. Alright. Kadramlete Yusum. No, 14 and a half. 14 and a half. Not a keeper. Okay. 14 and a half.
14 and a half.
Yeah. Yeah, 14 and a half, man. Close, yeah, I know. He got me under the rock. He got my leader all shaved up. Another little guy in here. Sorry, I didn't know that I had the camera off. Yeah, that's another little guy. Throw it back. Okay. Still some left in there. Yep. Still some left. Right, only left a little bit. Only left a little bit. From one leg socket to another leg socket. Oh, damn. Damn it. Definitely a keeper though. Definitely a keeper. My reel is giving up. My reel is giving up. Okay. It's very slippery. All right, measure this one. Okay. 15 and a quarter. All right, so we got two keepers. We got two keepers. All right. Cast. Let's see what happens. Okay. You might took half of it, yep. Let's see if it's a big one, comes back around. Nope, still have it, yep. Okay, we have it, but not a big one though. It's a little one. You can tell. You can tell it's a little one. What is this? A sea bass. It's not even a blackfish. Well, it's black, but it is a sea bass. Ah, stupid sea bass. He took the half that I had early. I didn't have it on camera, but you know, that's the other half. Let's see if he comes back for it. But a big one though. Not a little guy. That's a little one. I don't know if it can clean me out or not. Probably did clean me out. Yep. And you almost got me stuck. Oh no. Still have half of it. I'm gonna cast far because you get snagged in here though. Ah, no, let go. You let go. All right, let's cut another crab. All right, we're getting nibbles in here. We're getting nibbles in here. I don't know if I still have it or not. No. We just took that one, left a little piece in here. Just a little piece.